Okay, darlings. So here's what we're doing. We're going to do summertime so that you can practice the A minor progressions in three different locations. And I'm throwing in a stanza in the middle for you to try improvising, whether you're using the notes in the chord or you're messing around with the pentatonic scale in the key of C. All I can say is have a ball playing in this musical sandbox. Here's our tempo: a one, a two, a three, a four. Summertime and the living is easy. A fish are jumping and the cotton is high. Oh, your daddy's rich and your ma is good looking. So hush, little baby, don't want you to cry. All right, solo, here we go. La, 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 la. Well, one of these mornings, you're gonna rise up singing. You're gonna spread your wings, then you'll take to the sky. Oh, but till that morning, there